Let's step up the game. Let's practice more and start with banana. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一条香蕉。好吃。Now, a little bit faster. 我饿了。我想吃一条香蕉。好吃。Now, I'm gonna say it together, and please try after me. 我饿了。我想吃一条香蕉。好吃。Let's do it one more time. 我饿了。我想吃一条香蕉。好吃。Now, let's practice with grapes. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一些葡萄。好吃。Now, a little bit faster. 我饿了。我想吃一些葡萄。好吃。Now, I'm gonna say it all together, and then it'll be your turn. 我饿了。我想吃一些葡萄。好吃。Let's do it one more time. 我饿了。我想吃一些葡萄。好吃。Last, let's practice with watermelon. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一些西瓜。好吃。Now, a little bit faster. 我饿了。我想吃一些西瓜。好吃。Now, I'm gonna say it all together. Then it'll be your turn. 我饿了。我想吃一些西瓜。好吃。Let's do it one more time. 我饿了。我想吃一些西瓜。好吃。Here is the practice for you to improve your flexibility. That way, you can freely express your wants or needs at any time. To fill in the blank, you can pick any fruit you like in any order you like. I'm gonna read each fruit in order in case you want to listen to them one more time before you practice. Here we go. 我饿了。我想吃一个苹果。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一条香蕉。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一些葡萄。好吃。我饿了。我想吃一些西瓜。好吃。Now it's your turn. Remember, you can pick any fruit in any order that you like. And if you can practice with emotion, pretend that you are really eating them and enjoying them, you can remember them better. Have fun! Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time energy and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.